Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we continue with the part 3 of our Godot and Bevy ECS tutorial series. Last time we did a lot of refactoring of the project structure. This time we implement our first system. So therefore let's heading over the system folder and create a new file. Let's use it for now for position updates. So therefore we call it position update system and then declare a basic function for it. And as in the systems we didn't have before anything included, we make as before already our module export for preload and then use those declaration internally for just better code structure and easier imports in the other files. So most of those kind of project structure should be familiar already based on the refactoring, what we did in the last video. So once we have added a new module, we also need to add in the librs now our new system reference in case that we did not already. And then let's add another Godot print statement so that we know that our system is actually called. Just to ensure that when world is running and the internal scheduler is executing, that everything is updating the system as thought. In order that our systems are actually executed, we are now heading forward to the scheduler and add additional stages and systems to the scheduler where it should be run. So basically we only use one for now, so that means our main scheduler, the scheduler what we are passing here as a property, will be used to add a new stage to it, which can be a label of your preferred type. I just call it update in that case, because the process is like an update cycle when Godot is calling it. And to it we also add then our new system. Every time run is executed with the word, our system will get also executed. So let's call it update stage. And then we also need to simplify this one, or not simplify but correct this one because this was wrong. So at that time I was also reading through the documentation of Bevy ECS in order to check about the parameters. And as you can see, now we can add the system to our stage label what we just added. This is this update stage, and that means now we declare which system will be then executed, and in our case it's the position update system. So that means we add the new stage with update stage, and then we add the new system for that particular stage what we have added. And as a second argument you just pass the function of the system what you want to execute. Yeah. Please also ensure that you are updating the property for the instance of the main scheduler. As we have declared the scheduler above, we need also to reference it underneath, because otherwise your system will not get called. So therefore this could result in some time spending on where and why it's not executed. So this one just to keep in mind. And as you can see, our system is now called as expected, as shown here with this comment. So basically, this is it for the third part of the tutorial series. I hope you enjoyed it. You can leave a message anytime. Thank you for watching. See you next time.